Hi, this is Miss Williams. Just wanted to say hello and hope you're having a good virtual learning week. I know we've had a lot of technical difficulties, but we're just going to try to do our best and try to get as much accomplished as we can. And hopefully next week will be an even better week. I wanted to do a video for the story this week. It's in their workbook, in their green workbook, and the story was called Mission Accomplished. So I'm going to record the story. You can look at the video. You can let them look at the video and listen to the story. They can use their workbook and look at the story there as well. They can look for words that they know already or find words they don't know. Practice reading, sounding out words, looking for letters. Ask them what's the first sound in a word, or what letter is this? Some of our sight words, see if they find any of our sight words in the story. And our main goal this week will be looking at the characters. Who are the characters in the story? But you can also look at the setting where the story is taking place, what happened in the story, what problems they had in the story, and how did they fix their problems, or just what happened at the end of the story, the beginning, middle, and end. So I'll go ahead and start the story, and then I'll share it with you.
Mission Accomplished. Written by Ebony Joy Wilkins. Illustrated by Kevin Zimmer. Raina, we need more rocks. Where can we find some? I know where. We can go to Mars. Close read. Underline the name of the girl in the story.
Okay, so they'll find the name of the girl in the story.
Buckle up, Christopher. Mars, here we come.
And where were they headed in the story? Where were they going?
This rock is shaped like a cube. I'll take it. Close read. Underline the name of the boy in the story.
So find the boy that's in the story. That sounds like another character that's in the story. A character is a person that you would see, or it would be maybe a thing that could be in your story.
This rock is shaped like a circle. I'll take it. This rock is shaped like a square. I'll take it.
And if you notice, they have the words that are shape underlined. So review your shapes. Make sure you know the names of your shapes, what they look like. See if you can draw them. Find paper and draw your shapes that are in the story.
This rock is shaped like a triangle, but there's no room.
And look at the boy's face. We've been talking about feelings this week. How is he feeling?
I have room. Mission accomplished. Let's go home. Close read. What word can you use to describe Raina and Christopher? Highlight words in the story that make you think this.
So mission accomplished. What does that mean to you? Think about what they meant in the story by the words mission accomplished. Look at how they're feeling in the story. We have our characters, Raina and Christopher, a boy and a girl, and they look happy now, and look at their faces, and we can think about how we can draw our feelings. So when we look at the pictures, we can tell what they're feeling. And then at the beginning of the week, we were talking about imagination. We can see that they have clouds above their heads, and so they're thinking and using their imagination. So where was their imagination? What did they use their imagination to think about? And so where did they go when they were using their imagination, and how? What did they use to create that? So when you finish the story, you can reread the story a couple of times. See if you can practice and read it by yourself. Let someone help you. And then try to do it on your own independently by yourself. But you have to practice, practice, practice in order to learn all the words in the story. But when you finish, you can draw the characters that were in the story. Make sure to add details to your pictures. They have beautiful pictures in this story. They have the grass, they have the trees, the sky, they have the seesaw, the rocket ship. So think about what kind of picture you could do to illustrate the characters in the story and maybe where they were, the setting. And I will share some more videos with you later. Have a good day.